What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video is pretty cool when it comes to the product we're going to be taking a look at, because this is unique. Makes a great desktop edition, especially if you're wanting kind of a cyberpunk setup, you know, because this thing is called the Internet Host Key. Alright, kind of a cool name. There you go. And it's like supposed to be like made like a movie prop, right? And this is from Sharge, and this is, or Charge, as you can see here, with their name here. But again, this is the Internet Host Key, the Wandering Earth 2? Earth? Maybe, I don't know. A lot of Chinese gibberish on here, so I can't really make out some of it. As you can see, again, the back end of it here, model number, if you're really wanting to see, is a SP130A, and that's because it's 130 amp out, or 130 watt out. Battery capacity, 20,000 milliamps, 3.6 volts, 72 watt hours, 19,200 milliamps, 3.6 volt, or 69.2 watt hours. And all the outputs, this can fast charge 3 devices at once, which is pretty kick butt. 600 gram is the product weight. The dimensions are 312 millimeters by 51 millimeters by 34 millimeters. And this is airline safe, by the way. You could take this and TSA isn't going to stop you, although if you have it powered up, they might want to look at it a little more in depth, I'm just going to say, because it almost kind of looks like some kind of code or countdown, or who knows, you know. Product appearance, again, it's got a built-in cable. This is metal, multi-function screen, silicone dust plug, and it's got a one-piece shell. And again, the screen is going to show you charge, discharge, countdown, the output, the input, and the battery remaining. Even though it's going to make it look like, I'm going to say, it looks like it's trying to launch some nuclear codes here. Might be that's why it's called the Internet Host Key, right? Because it's some kind of key-looking product, something out of war games, I would say. So why don't I just shut up and go ahead and open this for you instead of looking at the box, because, you know, seeing is believing, right? So I'll toss that aside. And again, this is the unboxing. This is the first I'm seeing it. So here we go. It's an upside down. Kind of weird little setup here. There we go. Ooh, look at there. That's kind of cool looking. Yeah. Alright. That's pretty heavy duty. Got some weight to it. Again, 600 grams. Alright, I think that's it. Kind of weird box. Not gonna lie, it's kind of weird box. Alright. So we've got the branding there, maybe some instructions. Again, the cable's built in, so don't look for any all that for this. Alright. Toss that aside. And here we go. Beautiful little device looking piece of equipment here. Yes. Yeah. Looks like it almost has like an antenna here that wants to fold out, but not the case. It's all about aesthetics and looks, right? Load, generate, confirm. Then on the side, we've got USB out. This is our protective plug. Built-in cable. Ooh. And that just slides right back underneath here. Man, this has got some nostalgia look. This almost looks like, you know, old battery thing here, the old days. Let's go ahead and power it up, I think. Alright, is that how you power it up? Okay, don't make me read the instructions. Use miscellaneous IHKs. Let's see, there's a port there. Alright, maybe this just came totally dead here. Let's see, load. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look there. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Generate. Yeah, that's kind of neat. generate. Confirm. So, I don't know. There's kind of a little simulator here. Remaining, output again, input, and battery percent left. And it says 67 or 667. Okay, odd. Load, generate, confirm. So that basically just runs through the little gamut of items here. So let's go ahead and let's just try to charge something from this bad boy. Just to see what we get here, because yeah, it's kind of interesting to say the least. Let's see. What can we charge? Let's try to charge a phone. Well, let's see. What do we got here? So we've got a USB-C on that side. We've got the built-in C, and then we've got a USB-A. So we've got those three. So this is how it's going to charge three devices at once, right? The built-in is a USB-C cable. Do I have anything handy that is USB-C? Let's see. Well, let me pause the video and let me find me a USB-C device that we can charge up and kind of see this thing in action. Alright, let's load this back up. Guess we'll hold this in. Load it. So I've got the ROG Ally here, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. There we go. So now it is outputting 2.97. Let's see, do I need a cable? I need a C cable. So let's see. Let's do a C cable. So we're going to be charging this ROG Ally. And then from this port, plug this in. And these numbers are actually going to make some kind of sense now, because now we're going to be charging this DJI Osmo camera. And now we're outputting, yeah. So the remaining time is now 1.2. The output 3.2, 2.37. And then again, how much battery's left? 59. So these numbers then start to make a little more sense as you charge your devices, right? So this ROG Ally, you can see the light there. It says charging. And the Osmo Mobile is also charging here with the little flashing green light. So again, this is the internet host key. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of unique battery charger. Definitely a conversation starter, especially maybe with the TSA guy at the airport. Especially if you go in with it doing this, generating like that, because I can actually do a generation while it's charging. So this looks a little suspect. And then confirm. And then there's your code you can give to a friend. And you'll never be able to reproduce that code, right? But you can have fun with it, I guess, as a little bit of a movie prop kind of effect for a charger. And again, if you're looking for some kind of cyberpunk setup, this is probably one of the top chargers I would recommend when it comes to blending a cyberpunk setup. And just leaving it on your desk and having it add to the aesthetics of that kind of a setup. And again, little instruction manual here. We've pretty much already talked about what it does, and maybe we need to find the English version of load. Let's see. Yeah, so what does the load actually do? Say product name, internet power bank. Does the load button do anything except what we just said? Not really. Doesn't really say anything about the load. So I think it's just, you know, one of those little movie prop kind of things where you can click that and have it kind of looking like it's generating some code there. Probably do the same thing with a random password generator, but not such a cool effect, right? Alright, check the show notes for a link for this guy. I do believe it's coming on sale for Cyber Monday. Hopefully this video makes it up in time for that. So check it out. I think they're 15% off what I was remembering. So here's the time to get it. If you're interested in this, get it as a gift. Get it for yourself, right? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.